so let's do the Seiko wall clock of the quartz one. So that's good. I probably don't need a.
You don't need what?
I don't need a chair or anything.
Oh, yes, you do, because I don't want that drop. Here, I have a little.
All right. This is this.
Yeah, you do this. I want that. Right. Did you do this yet?
I did those
You did
two.
the stove and
I
what
did the
else?
stove and the microwave.
Oh, okay. I never saw you do it. I guess it was when I was talking.
Yeah.
Bring it down and let me see if it needs dusted. The top of the.
Yeah, it definitely needs dusted.
Okay, all right. Then let me do that way.
Gotcha.
How about the very top too? Yeah. Better? That's it.
All right, now we're gonna change it.
What time are you gonna make it say?
10, 11. 10, 10,
Yeah.
10, 10, 11. So yeah, that's.
Did you feel it? So if I'm hooked under good? I mean,
Yeah.
Okay, you sure? Coming down. Wheel coming down.
Yeah, so that's setting. So 10, 11, so do the 10, 15 a little bit